Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will find out the best way to send money abroad by comparing Remitly versus Wise in 2025. If you're looking for the best way to send money abroad in 2025, then watch this video till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And let's get into this. Formerly known as TransferWise, is a widely used money transfer app that allows both individuals and businesses to send and receive money internationally, with low fees and competitive exchange rates. The platform offers a straightforward interface, making it easy to send and receive money, track exchange rates, and manage multiple currencies within a single account. However, in some locations, users may need to provide proof of address, which can slightly extend the verification process for new accounts, a feature that sets it apart from many competitors. Wise also offers real-time exchange rate tracking and customizable rate alerts, making it a strong option for users managing multiple currencies. However, Wise focuses on bank-to-bank transfers, which may not be ideal for users needing cash pickup or mobile wallet deposits. It has a unique add-on of applicable multi-currency account, obtains bank account details in 9 currencies, and it uses a mid-market exchange rate. Remitly is an online remittance service headquartered in Seattle, United States. It facilitates international money transfers serving over 170 countries, aiming to assist the millions of immigrants worldwide who live and work in a country away from their families. They have established money transfer partnerships across the globe to support its mission, including a network of over 5 billion bank accounts and mobile wallets, along with approximately 470,000 locations for cash pickup options. They have limited additional functions compared to other providers, which often include extras like foreign exchange options, bill payments, and the ability to hold funds in accounts or on cards. Remitly's fees vary depending on the countries involved in the transfer, the amount being sent, and the chosen pay-in and payout methods. Remitly also offers competitive rates for higher-value transactions. For detailed information on fees, you can visit the Remitly website, select the countries you're sending money from and to, and access the fee calculator for that specific country. The pricing structure is transparent, and the option to choose between express and economy transfers gives users more flexibility based on their urgency and cost considerations. It is a strong option for users looking for a straightforward, digital-first money transfer service with flexible pricing options. Through that basic one-on-one comparison, you can easily choose what suits you the best. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.